Hello, everyone, and welcome to MHA626, Legal and Ethical Issues in Healthcare. I'm Kevin Valadares, the course instructor for this course. I'm glad you're here. The purpose of this intro is to walk you through in a summary fashion this course, the basic components of it, show you what it looks like, follow along. I'm going to ask you to pause this YouTube recording and pull up a couple things at the same time. So why don't we get started? Uh, I am the chair of the Masters of Health Administration program, been a faculty member at the University of Southern Indiana for a number of years. I actually did develop this course a long time ago. I've been teaching it for a number of years in different formats. But we have recently, in the last year and a half, remodeled, as I like to say, all of our MHA courses into this 7-week quality matters framework fashion. So thrilled to be introducing this course in this manner. Just a little bit of information. Um, my background is in health administration and healthcare ethics. That's actually a long time ago what my PhD is, and I like to be involved in applied ethics related to healthcare in our region. So very involved with our health systems, with healthcare organizations, in some of the research work that I'm doing in advanced care planning, which you will be exposed to later on in the course. But best way to contact me is actually via email. I'm going to be in my office here at USI pretty much most of the summer. So email, phone is fine too, and we can set up an appointment over the phone or via Zoom. Although personally, I'm trying to wean Zoom from my life. But we can still Zoom if it's easier for you. And you can certainly see how, if you've never been on Zoom before, lots of great tools uh, um, on the Blackboard site. And so let me show you a few things. The course syllabus, which I'll ask you to pull up in a second, course calendars here. There is an assignment called Introduce Yourself, which we're asking you to do. I'm asking you to do via VoiceThread. The course mapping worksheet is here, which is a link between the module objectives, course assessment, and instructional activities. If you haven't yet set up your USI email, either on a mobile phone or mobile device, please do so. As you start this course or this summer semester. So I'd like you to focus on the syllabus and the course calendar. And if you can pull that up, the syllabus is really the contract for the course, and it explains everything. This course is going to explore summary of the topics focused on primary legal and ethical issues applied to healthcare organizations, healthcare professionals, and users of healthcare, which is actually all of us. So I believe you're going to find the content of this course and the assignments to be professionally and personally interesting and somewhat reflective. If you scroll down in terms of the syllabus, you can see a summary of the assignments. They're also on the calendar. And if you're able to pull up the calendar, I'm going to ask you to print out the document and post it somewhere. I'm actually looking at mine right now. I taped it to my wall so I can really sort of walk through on a week-by-week basis what the content is when the assignments are due. So first and foremost, I'd like you to think about this course running on Wednesdays. I just randomly chosen Wednesdays because I like Wednesday. So every Wednesday, new content will launch. Every Wednesday, assignments will be due, always at 5 p.m. And you'll see the assignment due dates are in bold. So the course will start on Wednesday, June 30th, and come to an end when your team organizational ethics case conflict presentations are due by Wednesday, August 11th at 5 p.m. So think about Wednesday as the class day, and having that available somewhere, a calendar, I think is quite helpful. Now you can see as you go down to course content that all of the weeks essentially start with objectives, the tasks, the assignments, and everything associated with it. In week one, of course, there's a survey. Well, that's my phone ringing. That's somewhat embarrassing, but I'm going to let it ring and talk through this. And you'll see that the content is there. You'll also see the lectures where the content for the week one is professionalism, are all delivered to you in a YouTube format. My guess is all of you are familiar with YouTube. It's very easy for me to create YouTube videos. And so it's all available in YouTube format, and you can watch it on any device. All then of the other weeks run similarly in a similar manner, with the articles available for you, YouTube's perhaps certainly more content, discussion boards. There are two, I think, very good documentaries to watch. They are available to you right on the Blackboard site, as well complements of the David L. Rice Library. And so we'll ask you to watch both of them, and there'll be a reflective survey after each documentary. I'd like to go to the assignments, which are not only in the syllabus and the calendar, but also in the assignments feature of Blackboard. Here are all the assignments along with due dates. There are some assignments due towards the beginning, in the middle, and the end. And really, the two large assignments, or the one large assignment, with two parts to it, is the organizational ethics case conflict presentation, which I will ask you in teams to start working on this right from the start of the course. The main assignments, which are the legal case analysis, the organizational ethics case conflict synopsis, the healthcare bill analysis, and this final presentation will be done in teams that I choose at the beginning of the course. And so with each with each assignment will be a short YouTube explanation. So you can really, in addition to the assignment and the grading rubric, get a sense from me of what's expected. And so all the assignments are here as well, in addition to being in the weeks. Usual feature that many of you know, but if you're new, there are some good resources from the library. You can check your grade here as well. I hopefully will be fairly punctual in evaluating assignments and in inputting grades. Let me know if I need to speed up, but let me know gently, please. So with that, I'm going to stop. Hopefully this was a valuable tour of the course. Again, I'm glad to be offering this course in this format. And I hope that you all take away, both professionally and personally, some applied content in this course as it connects to the MHA program and your own personal growth. Okay. With that, I am going to stop. Let me know if you have any questions, folks. Thank you. Bye.